So I'll be showing you how to add a photo background to your Instagram story. So let's go and create a new Instagram story. So go to stories. You can either tap on this little plus or just swipe. What? Swipe like that. Sorry. And that opens your creation page. So you want to make sure a story is selected, and then you can go ahead and add your background photo first. Okay, so we start with the background. So just go to your gallery, select the photo you want to use for your background. So for instance, I want to use this one, and I can expand it, I can twist it, I can set it exactly the way I want. And once I do that, the next thing I want to do is tap on the sticker icon and then tap on photo. And then now I can go into my gallery and pick the photo that I want to use for my story. So let's say, for instance, I want to pick this one. So I can just tap on it and then I can expand it. And now you can see we have my photo background, or my photo as the background of this particular Instagram story. And then from here, I can add my music or my text and then continue to publish my Instagram story. But that is basically how to add a photo background to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.